Starting with trims, the Hyundai Santa Fe offers the SE FWD, a solid base for families, while the Lincoln Corsair comes in the upscale Premier FWD, emphasizing luxury from the get-go. The Santa Fe is a mid-sized three-row SUV perfect for spacious adventures, whereas the Corsair is a compact luxury SUV designed for refined city driving. When it comes to price, the Hyundai Santa Fe starts at a more accessible $35,050, while the Lincoln Corsair commands a premium at $39,985. Under the hood, the Santa Fe packs an intercooled turbo regular unleaded i4, contrasting with the Corsair's intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4, hinting at a more refined fuel experience. Power-wise, the Santa Fe leads with 277 horsepower at 5,800 revolutions per minute, edging out the Corsair's 250 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute. Torque tells another story, with the Santa Fe delivering 311 lb-ft at a low 1,700 revolutions per minute, giving it strong low-end grunt compared to the Corsair's 280 lb-ft at 3,000 revolutions per minute. Both SUVs share an 8-speed automatic transmission with dual shift mode, promising smooth and responsive gear changes. The Santa Fe's engine displacement is larger at 2.5 liters compared to the Corsair's 2.0 liters, reflecting its focus on power and capacity. Fuel efficiency favors the Corsair slightly, offering 22 city and 30 highway mpg versus the Santa Fe's 20 city and 29 highway mpg. The Hyundai stretches out with a 110.8-inch wheelbase, providing more interior space, while the Corsair is more compact at 106.7 inches. Lengthwise, the Santa Fe is longer at 190.2 inches, reinforcing its spacious nature, whereas the Corsair measures 181.4 inches. Height adds to presence, with the Santa Fe standing taller at 69.7 inches compared to the Corsair's sleeker 64.1 inches. Wrapping it up, the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe impresses with its commanding power and spacious dimensions, making it ideal for families needing room and muscle. Meanwhile, the 2026 Lincoln Corsair shines with premium touches and better fuel efficiency, perfect for those seeking luxury in a compact package. Which SUV fits your lifestyle? The choice is yours.